Are you looking for your next investment property that is fully tenanted and turnkey ready to go? This 2.5-story Century home features over 5,000 square feet of potential rental space with 2 units currently occupied and the ability to create 4 units in this property. It is an excellent investment opportunity. I'm Courtney Dorian from the Cape Product team, and I am pleased to welcome you to 65 Victoria Street and 105 Murray Street, the duplex that has 2 municipal addresses.